Hello guys, welcome back. Let's add Angular material. Go to material.angular.io and get started. Let's copy this one and go back to VS Code. Now we are currently in root directory. So let's navigate to client. Let's clear it and let's paste here and hit enter. Let's press Y and hit enter. Let's select magenta violet. Let's enter. Let's press Y and enter. Let's press enter again. So Angular material install. Let's go back browser and let's scroll a little bit. Let's copy this one and go to app component HTML. Control P and let's search for app component HTML and let's remove this one, paste it. Let's go to app component TS and import. Let's import mat slider. Let's import from Angular. Import and from Angular /material/slide toggle. Save it and let's clear terminal once again. Let's run application npm start. Let's click this link and go to browser. We can see our toggle box here. So we have successfully installed Angular material. Let's click this one and let's create register page. So let's kill our terminal, Control C. Let's type ng generate component and let's type component name. Let's say register and skip test. For this tutorial we don't need test. Let's press enter. So we have created register component HTML and component TS and CSS. Let's go to src app. Inside app we can see register component. Let's close terminal. Now let's go to app route and inside this route let's declare a path and let's say register and load component. Let's load our register component /register component, then dot register component and save it. Let's run our application ng serve -o. Let's go to browser and take a look. Let's say /register. So let's go to app component HTML. Let's remove this one and add here router outlet. So go to app component TS and import. Remove this one and import router outlet. Save it. We don't have any error now. Let's go to browser and take a look. We can see register work now. So let's control dot and click remove import. Save it.